Good morning to all. Today we have to discuss about the topic of machine vision systems. Machine vision systems is plays a vital role in modern automations, enabling a machines to see and interact with the environment. It is used in industries. Uh, is used in industries like manufacturing, healthcare, and the backbone of the AI-driven systems like autonomous vehicles and quality controlled robots. Today we have to cover the machine vision systems and how it works and what are the components of machine vision systems and what are the applications of machine vision systems. First, we have to discuss about what is meant by mission vision system. A mission system is a technology that's used to provide the image-based automatic inspections and analyze for the applications of automatic inspections, process controls, and robot guidance. Usually in industries, manufacturing industries, and testing industries also, it have been widely used. Mission vision refers to technologies which have integrated with software and hardware products to do the systems are more easier. The machine vision system refers to the ability of computer or automated systems to capture and analyze the visual information. It involves using cameras, lightings, and processing a softwares to make decisions based on the visual data. It's simpler terms, it's how machine use eye to perform a task like inspections, measurements, and guidance also. The machine vision systems is to integrate existing technology in new ways and apply them to solve the real world problems in term the function industrial automation environment, but it also used for this function in other environments such as security, vehicle guidance, and also the machine vision process includes planning the details of requirements and projects and then creating a solutions. During the runtime, the process starts with imaging, followed by the automated analysis of image and extract of required informations. Let's we see the basic components of machine vision system. The first one is the camera, which act as an eye of the systems, capturing an image or videos of objects being inspected. Second one is the lighting systems. The pop the, the lighting is ensure the proper features of the objects and visible of analyzes. The common types includes LED, fluorescence, or black lightings. Next one is the lenses. The lenses which have to use to focus the camera on objects and adjust the field of view and depth of the focus. Next one is the image processing. Next one, image processing. The brain of the systems. It's process or captures image using a specialized softwares and algorithms. The third one is a software. This where the image processing happens, identify the patterns and measuring the futures and making the decisions. The last one is a communication interface. Connect the vision systems to the other devices such as robots, PLCs, or computers for us an action. In this image, we have to convey a setup. We have and the convey have products. It will be inspected by the camera and controlled by the image processing libraries softwares. Based on the controller, the product will be segregated or sorted based on these instructions which will be given by the engineer. The next one, the main objective of this image processing is image acquisitions. The machine uses follows a systematic process. The first process is image acquisitions or image capture. The camera captures an image or of an object or sense. This would be a still image or live video feed. Next one is the pre-processing process. In this process, the captured image is enhanced using the techniques like filtering, thresholdings, and noise reductions to make it easier to analyze. Next, the third one is the image analyze. The systems use algorithms to identify the patterns and measure the dimensions, detect the defects, or locates the objects. And based on this image analyze, the decisions making will be taken. Based on the systems makes decisions, for example, rejecting the defective